Are you struggling with bulky, corded sanders that limit your movement and productivity? Imagine having a sander that combines power, portability, and precision, all without the hassle of cords. In today's video, we'll explore the best cordless sanders you can buy in 2025. These tools are game changers for woodworkers, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike. Whether you're refinishing furniture, sanding down hardwood, or tackling detailed projects, we've got you covered with the top options available on Amazon right now. We'll review 5 top performing cordless sanders: the Ryobi P4111, the versatile PorterCable 20 VMAX, the highly efficient Makita Z01Z, the innovative Ridgid Gen 5X, and the powerful Ryobi brushless belt sander. Each product brings something unique to the table, so make sure to watch until the end to find the perfect sander for your needs. And don't forget to check the description box and pin comment for direct links to these products, along with exclusive deals. Ready to transform your sanding game? Let's jump right in. Ryobi P4111 18V 5-inch cordless sander. The Ryobi P4111 is a fantastic entry-level cordless sander that combines affordability with reliable performance. Its compact, lightweight design is perfect for smaller DIY projects, making it a favorite among hobbyists. This 18V sander boasts an impressive 12,000 OPM orbits per minute, ensuring a smooth and even finish on wood, plastic, and metal surfaces. One of its standout features is the hook and loop sandpaper attachment system, which allows for quick and hassle-free changes. Plus, it's part of Ryobi's one battery system, meaning you can use the same battery for all your Ryobi tools. If you're just starting or need a secondary sander for detailed work, this tool is a no-brainer. Check out the description box for the latest deals and product link. PorterCable 20 VMAX Random Orbital Sander. Next up, the PorterCable 20 VMAX, a powerful yet compact random orbital sander designed for versatility. With a high-performance motor capable of delivering up to 12,000 OPM, this tool is perfect for both rough material removal and fine finishing. What sets it apart is its ergonomic low-profile design, which gives you excellent control, even during long sanding sessions. Its built-in dust collection system, complete with a removable dust bag, helps maintain a clean work area. Plus, the dust-sealed switch adds to its durability, making it an excellent investment for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Curious about pricing and reviews? Find the direct product link in the description box and pinned comment. Makita Z01Z 18VLXTR lithium-ion cordless sander. For those seeking versatility and precision, the Makita Z01Z is a must-have. This 18V sander features a 3-speed control system, allowing you to adjust the OPM between 7,000, 9,500, and 11,000. Whether you're working on delicate furniture or need to sand large, uneven surfaces, this tool can handle it all. Its brushless motor enhances battery life and ensures consistent performance. The Makita Z01Z also includes an efficient dust collection system compatible with standard vacuum hoses, keeping your workspace clean and debris-free. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's the perfect addition to your toolbox. Check the description box for more details and exclusive Amazon deals. Ridgid R8606 Billion Gen 5X Cordless Random Orbit Sander. The Ridgid Gen 5X is a cordless sander built for professionals who need power and precision. Its advanced brushless motor offers excellent runtime and ensures longer tool life, while the 3-speed electronic control lets you customize the speed to your task. One of the highlights of this sander is its premium dust collection system, which connects seamlessly to Ridgid vacuums for maximum efficiency. It also features a textured grip handle, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. If you're tackling both small details and large surfaces, this sander is versatile enough to meet all your needs. Find the product link in the description box to learn more and make it yours today. Ryobi B1 Cordless Brushless Belt Sander. Finally, the Ryobi Brushless Belt Sander is designed for heavy-duty jobs that require quick material removal. Powered by Ryobi's trusted brushless motor technology, this sander delivers consistent power for demanding tasks like flooring and large furniture projects. The 3-inch belt design ensures fast and efficient sanding, while its adjustable pommel handle gives you extra control, especially for awkward angles. And like other Ryobi tools, it's part of the one system, so you can use the same battery for multiple devices. If you're looking for a robust and reliable sander, this one is worth every penny. Check the description box for the product link and deals. Thank you for tuning in to our in-depth review of the best cordless sanders for 2025. These tools are perfect for upgrading your sanding experience, whether you're a die beginner or a seasoned professional. We hope this guide has helped you choose the right sander for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box and pin comment for links to all the products we've covered in this video. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and die tips. Let us know in the comments which sander you're excited to try, or share your favorite sanding tool with us. See you in the next video.